The correct care and maintenance of your equipment is important for long-term therapy success. You should wash your mask frame assembly, silicone seal and swivel connector in warm soapy water after every use. You should use soap and warm water, and rinse all parts with fresh water after washing to ensure all soap residue is removed. Do not clean any items in your dishwasher. Unhook the headgear clips and remove the silicone seal from the mask frame. Remove the swivel, but do not remove the ball and socket elbow from the mask frame. Your diffuser material should not be washed or rinsed. It should last 2 to 3 months. Replace it with a new diffuser if it becomes noisy or deteriorates. You may use your mask with or without the Q cover and diffuser. Once a week, you should also wash your headgear in warm, soapy water. Do not soak parts for longer than 10 minutes. After rinsing, all items should be allowed to dry out of direct sunlight. To assemble your mask again after washing, insert the diffuser material into the Q cover. Then clip the Q cover onto the mask frame. Push the swivel connector onto the end of the elbow. Attach the top edge of the silicone seal into the top of the channel in the mask frame. Pull the bottom edge of the silicone seal over the edge of the bottom of the channel in the mask frame. For the stretchwise headgear, fasten the headgear hooks onto each of the posts located at the ends of the mask frame. Connect the adjustable headgear using the headgear hooks onto each of the posts located at the ends of the mask frame. Your mask is now ready for use again. Please consult your user instructions or our website for more information.